Hey y'all, I'm about to be singing Ratchet Anthem by main host if you look, come at the house like that. She was doing the most. The most. OMG, what do she have on? Cause she ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Give me phone. I'm about to take this girl a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl with a baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shit. Whistle. Girl, had to get cute today. I'm by James for a book today. Had to shoot today. Baby, new shoes today. Child support get two today. Got your check yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue? You know it gone. Be fit up. Move. It's the 15th. I got my food stamp. Got a brand new person. A brand new. Pay $95 for this week. Plus tax back. But the thing go, I expect the thumb. Nowhere in her calculating. Thinking that you better than I am. What you thinking wrong? My number. Boy, bye. Oh, she come good. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good to turn around. Let me see what you just saw again. Oh, okay, girl. We'll talk to you later. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Give me the phone. I'm about to take this girl a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Or just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. Man, Miss emailing me, but my girlfriends call me Kari. The club is for you. You have a pregame and we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can have this boo boo. Sorry, Switch Chains is my future baby daddy. Mari got my jersey just on. Jordan Hill match my press on. Proud team dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Look, pictures, new 80, got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. Gotta let you up, Dennis team, shut it down. Team Bad Chick, team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team he ain't paying. I mean, you might as well spend it all on me because you ain't looking like nothing. You ain't looking like nothing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Please, please. Oh, girl. Oh my God. What is wrong with her singing? OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet? Her lace front is all wrong. Give me phone. Finna take this a picture. Got it. Finna put this girl on Twitter. But I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat. Bye. Thanks for watching.